beautiful. We're going to spend the night here. We're camping just back there. Let's go explore. All the little boats and everything. This is so beautiful. It's very windy. Very windy. That is one thing I've noticed about New Zealand. It's windy here. It's also extremely hot. I'm assuming as we go further down south it will get cooler. But thus far it has been boiling every day. Oh, my feet are wet now, so I guess I might as well just splishy splash. Water's really warm actually. I never expected New Zealand to be so tropical. You know what I mean? Like there's these huge, big tropical type ferns everywhere and palm trees. And then also mountains everywhere. It's not like it has a mountain range. It's like it is a mountain range. Like the whole flipping country is made of mountains. So I feel very at home because I love me some mountains. Well, I feel so at home in Scotland. Ooh, that's cool. That's very cool. Can you guys see that? That is so pretty. I've never seen a shell like that before, ever. Way over there is our camper van. It's nice and refreshing.